And that's how far you ever went into Mordor.
We never left the clouds. Why is it asking us? There it is, the Spire. Two of them. Two little croaksers.
Just report it. Look, boys will know what to do.
They will tell him. He will know. And it's two of them. Follow, but quiet. Stay in the shadows. What about the bird? Forget birds.
I'm telling you, it was that little one. She loves spider friends.
Mustn't lose them.
I haven't seen it for years. I hope the ladyship had sucked it dry.
Shouldn't report it. It's always trouble. Then they send their bloodhounds, and that's never fun. You! Stop!
Open up! Who's there? Who do you think? Open up!
Up here.
So they never caught you, yeah?
Mustn't lose them.
Then why are there torture marks on your hands?
She could help us.
Something's brewing. Even the shriekers are out and flying. Those screams, makes your skin crawl.
Yes, the spider could help. First, lure them into her webs, and then...
War, that's what's brewing. Folks high up are getting tense.
Found him!
She could help us.
Something's brewing. Even the shriekers are out and flying. Those screams, makes your skin crawl.
Yes, the spider could help. First, lure them.
I hate this tunnel.
The other lantern's out again.
Go high.
Someone should slay that.
You smell her. She got me far. Yeah, no doubt. That's her stench. I hate these tunnels.
Wants to light fires, does it? Clever orc. The other one. He'll see us. We need a stone.
Maga. I don't like this. She's lurking.
Hit the lantern. Hit the light.
Hear that?
Stay away, my dear. Too strong and heavy to play our little game.
Hey. What?
Are they gone? Well done, my dear. The Wraiths! The Wraiths!